Look at the corrosion on the subframe here. It's completely...
We got most of the marine rubber off this panel, but it's hitting.
Working with that, that requires 3 cover. Steady left now, the hinges are moving.
Got it. Set it down gently. Look at the state of this floor pan. We have to be extremely careful removing that. The rock. Hard to gallons of water.
And look at the floor pan. We're completely compromised around now.
Look at the state of this loom. It's completely compromised.
We'll need to trace every single connection. The salt water went everywhere.
Audio description mentioned a sharp air leak, the pallet clicked, and next you moved the daylight bar. A green corrosion meant the impact wrench was necessary to separate the link from the chaff.
Look at the pitting on the crankshaft right here.
Documenting the salt crystallization of the oil pickup.